This tutorial is designed to outline the services that are offered by real estate agencies, as well as business structures and business models under which real estate agencies may operate.
Real estate agencies provide different services to consumers. The two main ones that everybody is familiar with is sales and property management. However, there are a lot of other services that real estate agencies can provide. One of the other ones is holiday letting. So this is common in agencies that are located within a high tourism traffic area, so such as the Gold Coast or even the New South Wales Central Coast. They deal with short-term accommodation and stays, so this could be just for a long weekend, a week or 2 week stays. The busiest times of year for these particular departments and agencies is obviously the Easter breaks, Christmas period and school holidays. Commercial and industrial leasing and sales is very similar to residential leasing and sales, however you're dealing with different types of properties. So you're dealing with warehouses, office space, retail premises and things like that. A lot of the time you'll have agencies that purely focus on commercial and industrial, but you also can have residential and commercial within the same office as well. Generally as well with the commercial offices, they'll also deal with business sales. The other one there you have is home unit and land project marketing. So real estate agencies may be appointed by a developer to help them sell one of their projects that they're doing. So these are normally off the plan sales. So off the plan basically means that the building hasn't been built yet, and buyers will be purchasing sight unseen. So they'll have artist impressions and things like that that they'll look at before they purchase. You also have buyer's agents. So this is a service that a lot of investors use, especially if that investor is interstate or overseas. So they are able to appoint an agent to help them source property to purchase. So the buyer's agent will negotiate on behalf of them, find them the perfect property at the best possible price. They'll get paid a commission from the buyer for providing that service, which is in a lot of the cases a flat fee. You also have rural sales, which is the last one on the list there. So real estate salespeople can sell acreage land. However, if you are getting into actually selling the livestock and the equipment that comes along with the farm, then you're getting into a different category of license. And obviously these are more commonly found in the country areas. Estates can also operate under different business structures. So the most common business structures are sole trader, so to operate your business alone, partnership, which involves 2 or more people operating a business and they operate as co-owners, so they'll share the income as well as the expenses. And you also have companies. So companies are a distinct legal entity separate from its shareholders, and these can be proprietary limited companies or they can be public companies. Now for further information regarding these 3 different types of legal structures, please refer to this link that is on the ATO website. It provides you with information on the different advantages and disadvantages of those business structures. So this will help you with some of your assessment questions. So for example, a sole trader is the simplest and cheapest business structure you can choose, as it has few legal and tax formalities. So that would be an advantage of operating as a sole trader. It will then go into all the different requirements of a sole trader. You can also have a look at partnerships, companies and trusts from this website also. So apart from the legal structures of real estate agencies, you also have different real estate business models. There are various business models that agencies may work under. The 3 main groups is franchise groups, so such as Ray White's and LG Hookers. You also have independent agencies such as Coronas One Agency. And you also have membership groups or marketing groups they may be called, so such as First National and Professionals. There are different benefits for working for each of these types of structures, and it really comes down to personal preference. So with franchise groups, you obviously the main advantage of working for a franchise is the brand recognition. So the support, the training, as well as the marketing and advertising templates and campaigns that are handed to you on a silver platter from the head office. So these are a massive advantage for individuals as well as agencies to operate under. The disadvantage being that you pay a percentage of your income each month to the head office for the advantage of using their brand. You also have independent agencies. So advantages of independent agencies is that you get to run your business the way you want. You get to keep all your profits. You can advertise however you want. You can operate in whatever areas that you want to operate in as well. Disadvantages being that you don't have the brand recognition. You don't have the support and training that you may get with a franchise organisation. Membership groups I like to think of as a bit of a happy medium between the two, so such as First National and Professionals. Now they do have brand recognition to an extent, maybe not as much as your Ray White and your LJ Hooker agencies, but they do also have a little bit more flexibility in the way that they advertise and even the way that they, or what they call themselves, with the difference with membership groups compared to franchise. With a franchise you pay a percentage of your income each month to the head office, whereas membership groups is generally just a flat rate. So your agency could earn $2 million in a month, or it could earn $100,000, and it doesn't matter, everybody pays the same fees. So the benefits stated are of course also applicable to individuals. So you'll need to decide when you are looking for work, what type of structure that you would like to work under. So franchise organisations with the brand recognition can be a benefit to the individual salesperson or property manager as well, to use in their prospecting activities and to build their own personal profile. However, in a lot of cases, the franchise organisation, the licensing in charge of the office, will take off the franchise fees before the commissions are paid to the salespeople. So you may actually get less commission working in a franchise organisation as opposed to an independent agency. It really just depends on the setup of the office. So these are things that you'll have to work out the cost benefit of working under these different types of structures.